Hey everyone! Before we start, I have a quick question for you. Look outside for a second. Do you see a tree? The sky? Maybe the sun? If yes, comment I see nature. If not, comment I need nature. Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy, relaxed, and fun. I'm your host, Mila.
Hello, Mila, and hello to all our wonderful viewers watching from the United States and around the world. It's really nice to be here with you today.
It really is. Ethan, you look very happy today. You're smiling.
I am happy, and honestly, I feel very relaxed today.
That's good to hear. Why do you feel so relaxed?
Well, this morning I went for a long walk. I went to the park near my apartment.
That sounds lovely. Was the weather nice?
It was perfect. The sun was shining, the sky was blue, and I could hear birds singing. It felt like a great start to the day.
I love mornings like that. And actually, Ethan, what you're describing is perfect for our topic today.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about spending time in nature.
That's a wonderful topic. Nature is so important, especially in our busy lives.
Yes, it really is. In this episode, we'll talk about why nature is good for you, and we'll also learn useful everyday English words for outdoor activities.
That sounds great. We can talk about walking, hiking, picnics, camping, and biking.
And we'll also talk about how nature helps your mind and your mental health.
Before we continue, we have a small favor to ask.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Thank you so much. Your support really helps us.
Why nature matters.
So, Ethan, you said you went to the park this morning. How did you feel before your walk?
Honestly, I felt a little stressed.
Stressed? Why?
You know, work emails, deadlines, traffic, news. Sometimes my brain feels very full.
I understand that completely. Modern life moves very fast, especially in big cities.
Exactly. But after about 10 minutes in the park, I started to feel different.
Different how?
I felt calm. My stress slowly went away.
That's the magic of nature. Nature is very good for our mental health.
That's an important phrase for our viewers. Mental health means how your mind feels.
Right. Just like we exercise to keep our body healthy, we need nature to keep our mind healthy.
When I hear the wind in the trees, I feel relaxed.
Me too. There's a word for that feeling. Mindfulness.
Mindfulness. That sounds like a big word.
It does, but the meaning is simple. Mindfulness means being in the moment.
Not thinking about work, not thinking about tomorrow.
Just being here, right now.
So if I look at a flower and only think about the flower, that's mindfulness.
Exactly. You're not checking your phone. You're just looking, listening, and breathing.
That reminds me of something important. Phones.
Yes, our phones. We look at screens all day.
Computer for work, phone for messages, TV at night. Our eyes get tired.
Mine too. That's why nature is perfect for a digital detox.
Digital detox means taking a break from technology.
When you go to the park, the forest, or the beach, put your phone in your pocket or bag.
Don't check social media. Look at the sky instead.
The sky is definitely more beautiful than Instagram.
It helps us reconnect with the real world.
Let's ask our viewers something.
Yes. Comment below. How many hours a day are you on your phone?
Be honest. Also, let's talk about outdoor activities. Walking in the park is one simple activity. What else can people do in nature?
There are so many things. My favorite activity is hiking.
Can you explain hiking?
Sure, hiking is like walking, but usually in the mountains or forests. It's often a long walk.
Is hiking difficult?
Sometimes. You need good shoes and water.
Good shoes are very important.
I wear hiking boots and carry a backpack.
What's in your backpack?
Water, snacks, and sometimes a map.
I enjoy walking, but I prefer sitting. My favorite outdoor activity is having a picnic.
Of course, you love food.
I do. A picnic is the perfect afternoon for me.
Describe your perfect picnic.
First, I need a big blanket, then a picnic basket.
Classic.
Inside the basket, sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade.
That sounds delicious.
And I love reading a book under a tree.
Very relaxing. But what about ants?
Yes, ants always want the food.
What about camping?
I love camping, but I'm a little scared of the dark.
Really? I thought you'd enjoy the stars.
I do. Stars are amazing. But at night, every sound feels so mysterious.
It's part of the adventure. You get to hear crickets, owls, maybe even a distant howl.
True. And sitting by the campfire is the best part. The warmth, the smell of roasted marshmallows.
And don't forget ghost stories.
Yes, scary stories make it exciting. But mostly, I love camping because we bond as a family. Cooking together, hiking, telling stories. It's quality time.
Exactly. And sleeping in a tent under the stars makes you feel closer to nature.
And you know, Ethan, I enjoy biking too. It feels like freedom.
Freedom and exercise at the same time.
Yes, feeling the wind, seeing the trees and birds, it's refreshing.
Do you like biking alone or with family?
Both, but family rides are fun. We can talk, stop for snacks, explore new paths.
It's a simple way to stay active and enjoy nature.
And I always try to describe things in English while writing. The river is sparkling. That bird is singing.
Perfect, you're learning English naturally without even realizing it.
Ethan, can nature help us learn English?
Absolutely.
How?
When you're outside, describe what you see. Say the words out loud.
I see a tall tree. The sky is blue. The grass feels soft.
You can also bring a notebook and write short sentences.
This is calm, natural English practice.
What if someone lives in a big city?
A small park is enough. Even one tree is nature.
Nature doesn't have to be far away.
Ethan, do you have a challenge for our viewers?
Yes. This week, go outside for 20 minutes.
Leave your phone in your pocket.
Look around and name 5 things you see in English.
Before you go, please subscribe to Mr. English channel.
Like this video and share it with a friend.
And comment below, what is your favorite outdoor activity?
Write in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this episode inspired you to go outside.
And practice your English in real life.
See you next time. Bye. And go outside.